Hello, my name is Giselle and welcome back to my YouTube Music Foundation YouTube videos. And today we will be discussing on intervals of 6. Intervals of 6. When we hear intervals of 6, the distance between two notes, C to A in this examples, I like to think of the first two notes in N, B, C. You usually hear this intervals in bluesy songs too. With intervals of 6, when you are reading music, you are moving from a line to a space or a space to a line. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Please subscribe. Bye.